All right, Fred is checking everything out. The unmade bed. Y'all excuse the messy room. That's what happens when you take a nap. Yeah, Fred says, hey. Oops, he's checking everything out. Oh, here's Pumpkin out there. It's okay, Fred. Yeah. Here he goes. He's checking it all out. Yeah. There we go. He says, let me rub on the table. Yeah, let me rub on everything. Here's his litter box and his little food and water. So he's got everything he needs. And he's checking out the scratch box. Yeah. Oh, I sprayed the catnip spray on there. He likes it. There he goes. Yeah. He's happy. Hmm.